A clamp meter is a safer way to measure current without touching the electricity source, but this is not only an ordinary clamp meter. Using it, you can measure AC and DC load without touching. All clamp meters have not touchless DC load testing function. You can check AC-DC voltage, frequency, temperature and test electronics components with maximum accuracy. This is the box of the Kaiweets HT206D clamp meter. You can check the product link from the video description. Here is a carry case. This is a true RMS meter, so its accuracy is better than an ordinary meter. I think it is very useful for electrical automobiles as well as electronic engineers. If you work with solar panels, then it will be also an useful equipment for you. This is the user manual. You can watch the instruction video using this QR code. This is important to read before use because the meter has a lot of functions and safety features also. Test lead, protection caps. The test lead quality is good. It can work up to 600 volt and 10 ampere. Test lead for temperature measurement. I will show you later in detail. And here is the clamp meter. Before turning on, I am inserting two AAA batteries in it. It is made with durable plastic, looks really nice in the red and black combination. The clamp is not too tight to open. The rotary selection switch is durable and you can use it with one hand. Here I have to insert test probes, but it is not marked with red and black color. In-hand feeling is good, hardy, not feeling cheap quality. It is a rotary function switch. This is the function button. Using it, you can select multiple functions after selection with a rotary switch. It is sub-function key. It is also used as a set 0 key. This is the LCD. Testing probe input terminal. I have to insert red probe to input and black to common, but no need to insert probes to measure current. It is the NCV sensor. Here is NCV key for measuring non-contact voltage. This key works also to hold a meter reading. This key is for LED backlight. And turning on and off this flashlight. Now the rotary selection switch is on off position. It is for measuring AC-DC current in ampere. It is for measuring AC-DC voltage, for measuring frequency in hertz and duty cycle in percentage. Here you can measure resistor, capacitor, diode and continuity and all electronics components. Here temperature. This is a low impedance voltage measuring mode. You can measure voltage in this mode to avoid any ghost voltage. Here you can see the testing range of this meter. I will test the AC load of this angle grinder. It is 850 watt. To test ampere using any clamp meter, you have to use single wire, not double wire or insulated wire. The meter is set up with AC ampere mode. It is showing about 1.5 ampere. I am going to test DC current of this 50 watt solar panel. It is connected to 12 volt battery with a PWM charger controller. About 1 ampere. The small DC motor showing 0.23 ampere with a 12 volt battery. Now I am going to test AC mainline voltage. It is showing 245 volt. The backlight color change if voltage is more than 80 for safety and alert purpose. Testing some battery voltage. $12.75, 4 volt, 9.28 volt, non-contact voltage detection. I am using an Arduino Uno to generate 10 Hz square wave with 50% duty cycle. You can see frequency showing 9.98 Hz and duty cycle 50%. Now I am testing some components. Resistor 1 ohms, $100 ohms, 1K, m capacitor 470 μF, μF, 100 NF, 1 NF. This is direct testing mode. You can test also transistor with this mode. Continuity testing mode. You can also use this meter to test SMD components. Now I am going to test temperature, inserting temperature testing probes. It shows temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Now showing room temperature. You can see the temperature of this soldering iron for an example. In my opinion, this meter has all of features of a digital multimeter along with a clamp meter. The accuracy is also very nice. Thank you for watching. See you soon in another video.